Namaste children, hope all are safe. Today I will teach you how to do the pendant, Rakhi and gift box. Shall we start now? Take a chart paper and take one CD for the measurement. Draw a circle. Make it into half. This measurement is 12 centimeter and making it to half. Another half. Take the CD. Again from here you draw another one circle. Again make it into half. Both the sides make it into half. Take the CD in all the corners. Give this shape. For both the circles you should do the same way. The measurement is over. Now you can cut this. I'll show you one ready piece. See, this is the cutting. See, I've drawn the lines. The same. Now what you should do? You should take a any refill and just mark it like this. Grease this line. This mark is there, no? Wherever you should grease it. Then you can fold it easily like this. All the sides you should fold it. Like this, all the side you should fold it. Then, see, like this, all the side hold it like this. If you close it, now the gift box is ready. See, on the big gift box, if you want to decorate your box, see, like this stones, or this is a kundan. See, like this you can stick it here wherever you want. I've sticked in all the corners. See, like this. Then inside this you can put any gift, any Rakhi or anything, whatever it is, and you can close it and you can put the gum. Otherwise you can take a satin ribbon and you can tie it. In the middle you can tie it like this. You can tie a bow. So the gift box is ready now. For Rakhi I have taken a paper. You can cut it into any pieces, any shape. See, I have taken some stones to stick it in the middle. I am sticking the pearl in the middle. You can take any color stones, any pattern you want, you can do it. Slowly do it, children, then only it comes neatly. Don't do in a hurry. So now it is ready. Stick it slowly. It will take time to dry. See, I will show you some examples. Take a half circle, yellow color paper. On that, take cardamom and pepper and stick it. Back side, you should take a thread and stick it using a small bit of paper like this, and stick it and hold it for some time. It will stick. And the same way for this pista shell also. I have taken pista shell and I made it like a flower, and in the center of this I have stuck one pearl, and this is a heart shape. I have used seashells, and whatever formation you want you can do it. And using earbud, see, I have cut that earbud using scissor into smaller size and I've stuck it like this, and I've kept one stone. See, this is a clove. In the kitchen we'll use now the clove for cooking. Using the clove, I've done the, see, all the sides I've stuck it like this, and in the center I've taken a stone, and the same way you should do. I can stick the thread. And this is one, I was having some stones. Using that stones I've done. In whatever shape you want, you can cut it. Either circle, heart shape, any shape. So I've done a square. So this is the different types of Rakhi. Now this Rakhi, you can keep it inside this gift box. This Rakhi can be converted into a pendant also. If you want to give the sister the return gift, you can convert this one into a pendant like this. Pendant. See, like this pendants. This is the Rakhi. See, I am keeping this one inside, and I am closing it, and I am tying the ribbon. And I am tying the bow. You can gift it to your brother. Hope all of you like this one. Whatever materials we are having with you, you can use that one and you can do it, children. No need of going and buying anything outside. Whatever is available, you do, children. Try, children. Okay, be safe. Thank you.